Okay, CES 2026. Today I'm taking a look at Malico Incorporated. I'm talking to Joe. What do you got going on here?
We do liquid cooling. I work for Malico.
Okay.
Malico is a Taiwan-based company.
What kind of plates are we looking at? We're looking at GPU, CPU?
CPU, GPUs. In fact, we can do any kind of heat source.
Okay.
So anything that's producing heat,
Yeah.
we can help you cool it.
Now this is built to order. Can you do like large batches, or is this more going to be like one batch? How are we looking at there?
I would say about 70% of our production is built to order, customized. So we can help customers prototype and help them with design and things like that. But we also have off-the-shelf products. We have Intel, AMD, and we're also making NVIDIA cold plates as well.
That's great. And so are you focused mostly on the copper and the copper piping? Are you also, I can see you got kind of a radiator there in the back. I've never actually seen one like that, although I am pretty ignorant about these things. Maybe you could explain that.
Sure. Copper is the best conductor of heat. In these server data center applications, copper is number one choice, right? But we can do any other metal as well. Malico started 40 years ago in Taiwan. We're 100% production manufactured in Taiwan. We started out as a metal forming company, so we can actually do anything metal for you. But for liquid cooling, most people choose copper. And these are pure copper.
Okay.
So don't steal them.
Yeah.
Copper is getting more expensive.
No, you're not wrong. That's crazy. Okay, all right. And so this is mainly just the copper, and then all of the pumps and everything you would essentially be throwing to other developers for the volume, for holding material, that kind of thing.
Yeah, depending on your application, we definitely have the capability to make them ourselves. Okay. So it all depends on your need.
Got you. Okay, thank you very much. It's been excellent, Joe.
Thank you.
Right on.